Hello everybody! In one of my previous videos I already showed you some techniques of stretching and relaxing of chewing muscles, since the beauty of your face shape is directly dependent on them. I'm going to link this video here and you can also find it in recommendations. And now I'm going to show you another technique how you can stretch your chewing muscle. In the area of your cheekbone, grab the muscles with two of your fingers. Try to grab as much as possible. And then slowly open your mouth. During this technique, please pay attention that you need to grab the whole muscle tissue, not only the skin, because otherwise it's going to stay in between your fingers even if you open your mouth. Repeat it again. And do it 5 to 6 times. Now you're going to grab your chewing muscle along the lower jawline. And again, the same way, slowly open your mouth. Repeat it 5 to 6 times. I'm gonna remind one more time that it's important to grab the muscle and not only the skin. And when you open your mouth, it should slowly slide down from your fingers. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends. Comment below what else you would like to see on our channel.